Hi, I am Srishalanjaya. In this video, I am explaining about polynomials and factorization, exercise 2.2, 9th class mathematics. So, first one, 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So, find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 at x equal to 0. So, x equal to 0. So, this value substitute in this equation 4 of 0 whole square minus 5 of 0 plus 3. So 4 into 0, 4 into 0 square means 0 minus 5 into 0, 0 plus 3. So 4 minus 0, 0 into 4, 0, 0 minus 0 plus 3 equal to 3. This is the final answer. Next one, 4x equal to minus 1. Substitute in this equation 4 of minus 1 whole square minus 5 of minus 1 plus 3. So 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus into minus plus 5, minus of minus plus 5, 5 ones are 5, minus of minus plus 5 into 1, 5 plus 3. So 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 5 plus 3, 9 plus 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So this is the final answer. So next one, x equal to 2, substitute in this equation 4 of 2 whole square minus 5 of 2 plus 3. So 4 of 2 whole square value, 2 whole square value 4 minus 5 to the 10 plus 3. So 4 4 the 16 minus 10 plus 3. 16 plus 3 19 minus 10 equal to 9. Next one, here x equal to x equal to 1 by 2. So 4 of 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 of 1 by 2 plus 3. 5 of 1 by 2 plus 3. So 4 into 1 by 2 whole square 4 minus 5 into 1 5 by 2 plus 3 by 1 3 by 1. So 4 ones are 4 4 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 1. Find the LCM of denominator 4 comma 2 comma 1. LCM of 4 comma 2 comma 1 is 4. So here 2 denominator, here 2 is there denominator. So multiply with 2, 2 2 is 4. Here also numerator multiply with 2. So next one here 4 ones are 4. So 4 multiply with 3 also. So next one 4 minus 5 2 is 10. Next 3 4 is 12 by denominator has 4. So 4 plus 2 16, 12, 4 plus 4 plus 12 16 minus 10 by 4. 16 minus 10, 6 by 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. 3 by 2 is final answer. 3 by 2. Okay, these are the answers for question number 1. Next one, question number 2. Next question number 2. Question number 2. So first question, find P of 0, P of 0, P of 1. Next one, P of and P of 2 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. First one, P of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. Substitute these values P of 0. P of x equal to this total equation in terms of x only. But here P of 0 means that we can write total equation in terms of zeros only. So P of 0 equal to 0 square minus of 0 plus 1. So 0 minus 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So therefore P of 0 equal to 1. Next one, P of 1. P of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square value 1 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Answer is 1. P of 1 equal to 1. Next one, P of 2. P of 2 equal to 2 whole square minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. 2 whole square 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2 3. So therefore P of 2 equal to 3. P of 2 equal to 3. So next one, question number 2, second bit question number 2. P of y equal to 2 plus y, 2 plus y plus 2y square, 2y square minus y cube. 2 plus y plus 2y square minus y cube. So substitute this value. P of 0 equal to 2 plus 0, 2 of 0 whole square minus 0 whole cube. So 2 plus 0, here 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square 0 minus 0 cube means here 0. So final answer 2. So P of 0 equal to, therefore P of 0 equal to 2. P of 0 equal to 2. Here P of 1 equal to 1. P of 2 equal to 3. Next one, here P of 1, substitute 1 in this equation. 2 plus 1 plus 2 of 1 whole square minus 1 whole cube. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square means 1, 1 to the 2, minus 1 cube, 1 whole cube means 1. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, answer is 4. Therefore P of 1 equal to 4. P of 1 equal to 4. Next one, P of 2. P of 2 equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square minus 2 whole cube. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, for 2 square value 4. 2 4 the 8 minus 8. Plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled, answer is 4. Therefore, P of 2 equal to 4. P of 2 equal to 4. Okay. These are the explanation about question number 1 and 2 in first, second bit. So next one, question number 3. So P of Z equal to Z cube. So P of 0 equal to 0 whole cube equal to 0. Therefore P of 0 equal to 0. Next one, P of 1 equal to 1 whole cube. Therefore P of 1 equal to 1. 1 whole cube means 1. P of 1 equal to 1. Next one, P of 2. P of 2 equal to 2 cube equal to 8. Therefore, P of 2 equal to 8. So, next one, question number 4. So, P of t equal to t minus 1 into t plus 1. T minus 1 into t plus 1. So, multiply these two terms. So, a plus b into a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay, a square means here t square minus 1 square. That means t square minus 1. T square minus 1 square equal to t square minus 1. P of t equal to, okay, P of t equal to t square minus 1. So substitute this value. P of 0 equal to 0 square minus 1 equal to minus 1 minus 1. So that means 0, 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. Therefore, P of 0 equal to minus 1. Next one, P of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So therefore, P of 1 equal to 0. Next one, P of 2 equal to 2 square minus 1. 2 square minus 1. So 2 square value 4 minus 1. Therefore, P of 2 equal to 3. P of 2 equal to 3. Next one, question number 5. Question number 5. So x square minus 3x plus 2. P of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2. So P of 0 equal to 0 square minus 3 of 0 plus 2. 0 square minus 3 of plus minus 3 into 0 plus 2. So 0 square 0 minus 3 into 0, 0 plus 2. So 2. P of 0 equal to 2. Next one, P of 1. So 1 square minus 3 of 1 plus 2. 1 square 1, 3 ones are 3 minus 3 plus 2. So plus 2 minus plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, P of 1 equal to 0. Next one, P of 2 equal to 2 square 2 square minus 3 of 2 plus 2. So 2 square value 4, 3 2s are 6 plus 2. So plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 minus 6. Therefore, P of 2 equal to 0. P of 2 equal to 0. These are the explanation for third, fourth, and fifth questions. Okay. Next one, bit number 3. Bit number 3. So verify whether the values of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. So first one, P of x equal to 2x plus 1. Third bit, first question. So where x equal to minus 1 by 2. Where x equal to minus 1 by 2. Substitute this value in this equation, you will get 0. That time only the given condition x equal to minus 2 is satisfied this equation, or zeros of the polynomial of given equation. If substitute x equal to minus 1 by 2, substitute in this equation P of minus 1 by 2. So equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So 2 minus 2 by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. So therefore x equal to minus 1 is a 0 of the 0 of the is a 0. Q of minus 1 is 0 of the given polynomial. 0 of the given polynomial. 0 of the given polynomial. So next one, question number 2. Question number 2, P of x. P of x equal to okay. So P of x equal to 5x. P of x equal to 5x. P of x equal to 5x minus 5 minus 5. Therefore x equal to minus 3 by 2. So P of minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 of minus 3 by 2 plus minus 5 equal to minus minus 15 by 2 minus 5. So this is a minus 3 by, therefore minus 3 by 2 x equal to minus 3 by 2. X equal to minus 3 by 2 is not minus 3 by 2 is not a 0 of given polynomial. Is not a 0 of given polynomial. 0 of given polynomial. Next one, third one, P of x equal to x square minus 1, x square minus 1, where x equal to plus or minus 1. So substitute this value minus, first if x equal to 1 plus 1. So P of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1, 0. So next one, if x equal to minus 1. So P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square minus 1. Minus 1 whole square 1, 1 minus 1 0. Therefore, x equal to plus or minus 1 is a 1 is a 0 of is a 0 of is a 0 of given polynomial. Given polynomial. Given polynomial. Next one, question number 4. Second bit, question number 4. number 4. Sorry, third bit this one. Question number 4. So P of x equal to x minus 1 into x minus x plus 2, where x equal to minus 1 comma 2 minus 2. So P of minus 1 equal to x, sorry, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 minus 2 of minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. So minus into plus minus 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 is not a zero of polynomial. Not a zero of polynomial. Zero of given polynomial. Zero of given polynomial. Next one, if a p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 minus 1 of minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 of plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Answer is 0. So 0 into minus 3 0. Therefore, P of minus 2 is 0. So x equal to minus 2 is a 0 of given polynomial. 0 of given polynomial. Next one. Question number 5th. Question number 5th. P of y equal to y square, where y equal to 0. So P of 0 equal to 0 whole square equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 0 is 0 of a given polynomial. Next one, sixth one. So P of x equal to ax plus b. P of x equal to ax plus b, x equal to minus b by a. So P of minus b by a equal to a into minus b by a plus b. A get cancelled, minus b plus b equal to 0. So P of minus b by a equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus b by a is 0 of a given polynomial. Is 0 of a given polynomial. So next one, question number 7. So if f of x equal to 3x square minus 1. F of x equal to 3x square minus 1. So where x equal to minus 1 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. So substitute x value minus 1 by root 3. F of minus 1 by root 3 equal to 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. So 3 of 1 by root 3 square get cancelled. So sorry, square root and square get cancelled. 1 by 3 minus 1. 3 cancel. 1 minus 1 0. So x equal f of minus 1 by root 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 by root 3. X equal to minus 1 by root 3 is 0 of a given polynomial. 0 of a given polynomial. So next one, if substitute x equal to 2 by root 3, x equal to 2 by root 3, if x equal to 2 by root 3, so f of 2 by root 3 equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. So 3 of 3 2 is 4 by 3 3 is 9. Sorry, 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So 3 into 2 2 is 4 by 3. Root 3 whole square 3. So minus 1. equal to 3 get cancelled. So 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 2 by root 3. X equal to 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of given polynomial. Not a 0 of is not a 0 of given polynomial. Zero of a given polynomial. Next one, question number 8. Question number 8. So f of x equal to 2x minus 1. F of x equal to 2x minus 1. So x equal to 1 by 2. Next one, minus 1 by 2. So f of, you take x equal to 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2. So 2 of 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 get cancelled. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. F of 1 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 2 is not a not f of x equal to 1 by 2 is not 0 of a given polynomial. Is not 0 of a given polynomial. Next one, f of minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 of minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 2 get cancelled. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So f of minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 by 2. X equal to minus 1 by 2 is not a 0 of given polynomial. 0 of given polynomial. These are the third bit questions and explanation. Next one, bit number 4. Bit number 4. So find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. So first one, f of x equal to, so f of x equal to x plus 2. Next, second one, f of x equal to x minus 2. Third one, f of x equal to 2x plus 3. F of x equal to 2x plus 3. So f of x equal to 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to, after transposing plus 2, you will get minus 2. So x equal to minus 2. This minus 2 is the 0 of given polynomial. Next one, second one, f of x equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to plus 2. Next one, f of x equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to, after transposing plus 3, you will get minus 3. So minus 3. So x equal to 2 into x. So into, after transposing, divide. So 2 divide, so sorry, minus 3 divided by 2. So x equal to minus 3 by 2. X equal to minus 3 by 2. Next one, question number 4. Question number 4, f of x equal to 2x minus 3. Next one, question number 5, f of x equal to x square. Next, f of x equal to px, sorry, px. F of x equal to px, where p not equal to 0. P not equal to 0. So here f of x equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to plus 3. So x equal to 3 by 2. X equal to 3 by 2 is a 0 of given polynomial. Next one, here f of x equal to 0. So x square equal to 0. X equal to 0. X equal to 0. Next one, here f of x equal to 0. F of x equal to 0. Next, p of px equal to 0. So x equal to 0 by p. X equal to 0 by p. that means x equal to 0 by p, so x equal to 0, x equal to 0. So next one, question number 7, question number 7, f of x equal to px plus q, f of x equal to px plus q, where p not equal to 0, p comma q are the real numbers. So f of x equal to 0, so px plus q equal to 0, px equal to minus q, x equal to minus q by p, x equal to minus q by p. So these are the fourth bit questions and explanation. So next one, fifth bit. So next one, question number 5. So if 2 is a zero of polynomial, so p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x, p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, So then find the value of a. So if 2 is a zero of polynomial, so x equal to 2. Substitute this value. 2 is a zero of polynomial means x equal to 2. So substitute this value. P of 2 equal to 2 of 2x square minus 3 into 2 plus 7 into a. So P of x equal to here 0. P of x equal to 0. So here 0. So 2 into, or you can write like this, equal to 0. So 2 into 4 minus 3 to the 6 plus 7a equal to 0. So 2 4 the 8 minus 6 plus 7a equal to 0. So 8 minus 6 2, 2 plus 7a equal to 0. So 7a equal to, after transposing plus 2, so minus 2, a equal to minus 2 by 7. A value minus 2 by 7. So next one, question number 6. Question number 6. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, so if x equal to 0, so y equal to 1. These are the zeros of the polynomial. So f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Then find the values of a comma b. A equal to and b equal to. What is that value of a and b? So f of x equal to 0. So 2 of, if x equal to 0. So 2 of 0 cube minus 3 0 whole square plus a into 0 plus b equal to 0. So 0 cube means 0, 0 into 2 0, minus 3 0 square 0. So 0 into 3 0. So plus a into 0 0 plus b equal to 0. So therefore b value is 0. Next one, substitute x value. Substitute here x equal to 1. Sorry, not y equal. X equal to 1. So x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, so 2 of 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b equal to 0. So 1 cube value 1, 1 to the 2, 1 to the 2. Next 3 1 the 3, minus 3, 3 1 the 3 or minus 3. So plus a plus b equal to 0. So from this here b value already find out this value, b value. So b equal to 0. Since b equal to 0, so substitute here 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus a plus 0 equal to 0. So a plus minus 1 plus a equal to 0, a equal to plus 1. Therefore a equal to a equal to 1, b equal to 0. These are the two values, a and b. So these are the 6 questions in this exercise 2.2 exercise. So thank you for the watching this video.